Martel. Back to Nash. Jello. Alcoriza comes out of the pick and hits the three.
Just wanting to get very early in a good groove. Steve Nash Enriquez just does that.
Jello Santiago turnover. But Monmon de la Cruz with the block. Ignadice with the recovery. Manalang with a nice pick. Manalang puts it in plus the foul.
Dahil sa mga overtime dapat hindi mangyari
pero
ngayon.
Alam mo, narinig ko, may analyst daw na magaling na mag-anchor
Ha?
Na magaling na mag-anchor.
Wag gano.
Mga fourth quarter, yan. Medyo late na.
Wag gano.
Diba? O, Alcoriza. Grabe naman yun. Parang muntik nang hindi tumama sa net. Parang kahit yung net, halos hindi gumalaw
At saka parang maganda yung fit niya dito sa Voyagers kasi naghahanap rin sila ng iba pang magiging shooters outside.
Like Alvarez remaining here in the first quarter. Sa ganda ng game na to, walang masyadong foul so far.
Good defense. Good spin, Alcoriza once again. He's actually been very active sa offensive side,
Clever Dignadice. Here's Alcoriza. Short on the three. Monmon, rebound, and stick back.
DJ Howe trying to find a way once again to get inside the paint as he always does.
Howe once again. Inside DJ Howe. Egot is also in the game. Alvarez will drive. Oh, he takes. Lodiza leads in. He'll get the bounce.
And DJ Howe's been the one that's creating for Negros.
Another basket.
Dario gets a rest.
Tanyo puts it in for two.
Halos walang resistance dun sa depensa nitong Negros.
Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBS Canada QR code to player visit.
Ayaw na nila papasukin sa loob itong mga Negros. Nagkaramihan ng puntos nang gagaling dun.
Oh, nakakuha pa ng offensive rebound. Razalan puts it in plus the foul. Latiza quickly to Gonzalez. Cyril put on the line. No. Montaño with a stick back.